I have to display year-wise summary of the admitted students in different courses in any college. So this one is the target point. Year-wise summary of the admitted students in different courses in any campus or any college. Suppose this one is the target point in terms of scatter plot. Suppose I have to display. First of all, I have to write import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. This one is the basic criteria to design with a graphical content. After this, what I have to write? I have to write 2016. Suppose I am starting from 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020. Suppose these are the years. And after that, suppose the student admitted in CSE. Okay. In CSE, suppose the figure is 260 and 66. You can take any figure, 150, then 50, and then 110. Suppose this one is the figure. And after that, suppose I am writing about ECE, that the figure is, you can change the figure according to your choice, no issues. I am just taking the example. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then 40, then I am writing 150, then 60. Similarly, suppose any other branch is there, automation and robotics. So this one is the branch.
Excuse
40.
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we do the same procedure in Visual Code?
Yes, you can do, no issues.
Okay, sir.
Basically, it's the code of Python. You can execute inside any IDE. Visual VS Code is one IDE, nothing else.
Okay, sir.
You can write the code. If you find any problem, please get in touch with me. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Send me the SMS on WhatsApp. Then I will sort out the problem.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Then 200 and 100. I am also keen to learn from your side that you are doing the work along with me. It's good. PLT. These are the values. Okay. First of all, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Suppose I have to collect the data from any campus, and after that I have to design the scatter plot. Then simply I have to write PLT dot scatter, then X comma Y. Then suppose I am setting the marker is equal to star. So star is the marker here. Okay. After that, suppose I am setting the size is equal to 200. Suppose this one is the size. Then I am setting color is equal to, let us say, red. Then let the edge color is equal to, I have already discussed all the contents yesterday. What is the meaning of edge color? What is the meaning of color? What is the meaning of marker? Everything. After that, X and Y is here, but here I have to write, I have to find year-wise summary. Then suppose I am writing CSE here. Okay. Now execute
Yes,
the
sir.
program. Execute the program here. Look at this one. You can see the scatter plot here. Now inside scatter plot in 2016, the value is equal to 250 plus, that is 260. And 2017, the value is 50 plus, means above 50, some value is there, that is 66. Then 2018, 2019, and 2020, these are the values. Stars represent the value. Suppose I am indicating 300 here, it means I can increase the size of the star, nothing else. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
First content is there. After that, suppose I have to design the second content. Let's copy this and paste again. Suppose I am writing here ECE and convert the marker into, suppose circle is there, and change the size. Suppose 200 is here and let 150 is here. And then let color is equal to blue and edge color is equal to yellow. Let's execute again. You can see the second content. Is it okay? The second content is there. Blue colored circles represent ECE and stars represent CSE. You can clearly identify in 2016, admission in CSE is more than ECE. And then suppose I am pasting again the third category, that is automation and robotics. Suppose I am writing AR here and let the value is equal to scale. Suppose I am writing S here and size, let the size is equal to 100. And color, let the color is green. And the outer color is yellow. Suppose this one is the content. Execute again. Now look at the value. Look at the scatter plot. You can clearly indicate that in 2016, this block is lesser than blue circle, then magenta star. These are the three contents. Suppose I have to elaborate more. Then what I have to do? I can write here ELT dot legend. Now what is the meaning of legend? With the help of legend, I can represent what is the meaning of star, what is the meaning of circle, and what is the meaning of square box. I can represent. Suppose I am writing here in square bracket, the first category is CSE. What about the second category? ECE. The third category is automation and robotics. This one is the third category. Now again execute the program. Look at this one. You can see one box here indicating all the three categories: CSE, ECE, and AR. Suppose I have to represent this content outside the box. Then I have to give location. For that, bbox underscore to anchor. This value is required. Yesterday, I think I discussed this content. Suppose I am writing 0.8,
0.5.
1, anything you can write. Accordingly, you can change the display, nothing else. Is it okay? At the top of the screen. Suppose I am writing here 1, 1. It means you are shifting the value of X. You can display the content outside. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You can display the content outside. These are the values, indicated values. Now one thing more you can do. Suppose I am writing here n column is equal to 3. Now what is the meaning of this? I am changing the legend into rows. Look at this one. And you can put this value inside 0. Let us say 7. Let's check this. Or 0.8. Let's execute this one. Look at the presentation here. If I am saving this value Save image. Third day. And first diagram. Let us check this diagram. Inside Python, this diagram is there. You can represent this diagram. Is that okay? This is the diagram.
Yes, sir.
All the contents are there. You can clearly identify what is the meaning of CSE. CSE is represented by these stars, and ECE is represented by blue circles, and automation and robotics is represented by square boxes. And in 2016, automation and robotics, then blue circle, then star. Similarly, other in 2018, the admission in automation and robotics are more than electronics. You can clearly indicate. And in 2019, admission in ECE are more than admission in computer science. And in between, automation and robotics is there. And in 2020, admission in automation and robotics is higher. You can clearly explain this content. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one is one application part, nothing else. Okay. One is simple program. Second is targeted program. One is the simple program. Suppose I am writing some program to add two numbers, to subtract two numbers. This one is clearly clear indication of some application. We are doing some application. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
This one is a scatter plot. And after designing this one more content is there I would like to discuss related to pie chart. Okay. Second program is day 3. I think yesterday I shared all the programs with you in the group.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You
Yes.
shared.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pie chart. Suppose I am writing here the starting point, import matplotlib dot pie plot as plt. If I ask one question to all of you, what is the meaning of import? Any student? What is the meaning of import?
Importing predefined functions.
Predefined functions. Okay. Predefined packages. These are not functions basically, these are packages. Matplotlib is one package. And inside this package, one module is there which is named as PyPlot. And from that module, if I am calling the functions, then I have to write PLT or any object. You can change the name of PLT as something else. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Getting the point? Actually, learning is important. Just watching the content is, I think, a different thing. Learning is too much important. Learning is required. So that we can tell other students that we know Python. That content is required from you. Is it okay? Now, suppose
Yes, sir.
I am writing for I in a range from 10 to 100 with a jumping factor of 10. Suppose I am writing like this, and I am printing I. Print I. What is the meaning of this? If I am writing this, let's execute the program. I can print the values from 10 to 90 because 100 is not included. 10, 100 and 10. What is the meaning of this? Starting from 10, ending with 100 and with a jump
Difference 10.
factor of 10. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Repeat again.
Suppose I am writing here
Yes, sir.
x is equal to I, comma I, comma I, comma I, comma I. All the values are same. Suppose I am writing like this. it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I am writing x is equal to 5 values of I. What is the meaning of this? It means value is equal to. Value is equal to. What value is there? In first step, all the values are equal to 10. And in second step, all the values are equal to 20. In third step, all the values are equal to. In third step, all the values are equal to
30.
30.
So 30.
Like all the values are there. Okay. So I am writing here PLT dot I inside X is there. And execute the program. This one is the graph. This one is the graph. Suppose I am setting radius is equal to, let us say, 2.3. Done. And execute the program. This one is the bar chart. Is it okay?
Yes,
So-
sir.
Suppose
Sir,
I am
Yes,
writing
sir.
PLT.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So x वो वहाँ पे जो I, I 5 times लिखे, 5 times लिखे, वो एग्जीक्यूट कैसे हुआ नहीं समझ आया.
Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose I am writing X is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Is it okay? Suppose I am writing X is equal to 10, 30, 40, and 50. Then I am writing PLT dot I and inside bracket X, comma, radius is equal to 2.3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now execute the program. This one is the pie chart. Done. First value is equal to 10. Second value is equal to 20. Third value is equal to 30. Fourth value is equal to 40. And fifth value is equal to 50. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I am setting all the values equal. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. All the values are equal. And execute the program. This one is the graph. Because all the values are equal.
Yes, sir.
Same angle is there. 360 is divided into 5 parts. Each angle is equal to 72 degree now. Each angle is equal to 72 degree. I am also discussing about the angle formation in today's lecture. How to represent this content in angle. Suppose I am writing here auto percentage is equal to, in single quote, suppose I am writing percentage 1.1 F, then again percentage sign. This one is the code. Now execute the program. Some error is there, I think. One more percentage sign is required. Let's execute the program again. Look at this one. I think one content is there inside the graphical content, 20% each. Because if I am taking all the values as 100%, it means it's divided into 5 equal parts. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
One more thing we can do. I think that was missing in yesterday's lecture. We can write text properties. This one is required. Is equal to, it lies inside dictionary. Suppose I am setting color is equal to, let us say, red. and then size is equal to, let us say, 22, and weight is equal to, let us say, bold. Now execute the program again. Look at this one. Is it okay? Because I am writing K here. It means black color is there. And
Yes, sir.
you can represent all the terms in percentage also. If I am writing here, suppose I am writing 100 here. It means you can display the content like that. 7.1%, first 4 parts, and last part is 71.4%. You can display the content accordingly. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to this point, so that I can proceed further?
What is here?
ऑटो पीसीटी
Color is
सर
equal to K.
ऑटो पीसीटी के वहां पर
Percentage.
परसेंट 1.1 एफ वो
Actually, this one is the code similar to your C language. Percentage F stands for decimal value. 1.1 means the previous value. Then after that, 1 decimal point is there. Similar to your C language. What should be there before the decimal point, and what should be there after the decimal point? F stands for floating value. Decimal value is there. It's basically one format, nothing else. Should I continue? Should I continue with the topic?
Yes, sir.
सर
Okay. Suppose I am writing all the values as I, like this. Suppose I am writing like this, and I am initializing I is equal to 10. Is there any difference? Is there any difference? No difference is there.
No, sir.
नो सर
There is no difference. Similarly, I can apply a loop. If I have to design multiple values, then I can apply loop. Now one more thing is there. Suppose I am copying this one and pasting again the pie chart. I am changing the radius. Suppose I am writing here 1.7. What will happen? What will happen? Any idea?
Its size becomes smaller.
Okay, let's execute. Look at this one. One more pie chart is there inside pie chart. Suppose I am deleting this value, this content, text properties, or I am deleting this one, auto percentage. Okay. Suppose I am deleting this one.
सर कलर डिफरेंट क्यों हो गया इसमें
ये देखो, कलर तो डिफरेंट होगा ना. First combination is different and second combination is different because I am going to introduce one pie chart in another pie chart. If the color will remain as it is, you can't identify one pie chart inside another. It's by default there, inside pie chart. Suppose I am again executing this content.
so for the next pie chart the color code K is changes for that
Yes. Next pie chart, it automatically changes. Suppose I am executing again the third content. Suppose I am writing here 1.1. Again execute the program. Look at this one. For the time being, I am deleting this one. I'm going to delete this one. And I am going to delete this one. In comment section, I am going to write this one. Is it okay? In comment section, you can apply later on. This one is the content. Now again execute the program. Look at this one. Again the same color combination is there. In this way, with the minimum number of colors, I can design a pie chart. means pie chart. Inside pie chart is there. It's one additional feature inside Python. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's save this image so that I can share with you. Day 3_1. Yes, this one is the content. And the next content I would like to share is scatter plot, second category of scatter plot. Okay, let's try that one. New file. I'm going to save this. Day 3_2.5. Side by side, if you are doing the things, then it's great. After the lecture, please try with all the contents and share the problem with me so that I can also learn from you. Okay. Basically, we are a combination of some brains. We can do a lot. I would like to do some project work
So
also.
actually,
Yes.
सो मेरे सिस्टम पे एनाकोंडा ऐप इंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा, तो मैंने गूगल कोल ऐप से किया तो ये एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay. After the lecture or tomorrow morning, please call me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर आपने कहा था विजुअल कोड में भी सेम वे से हो जाएगा, बट हो नहीं रहा.
Please call me tomorrow. Let me complete this lecture. Please call me tomorrow near about 10 a.m.
ओके सर.
Okay. Please call me tomorrow. No issues. I will resolve the content. In Google Colab, also in VS Code. No issues. Okay. Let's proceed with the next topic. One more content of scatter plot. Scatter plot. Okay. Starting content is import, or you can write like this: from matplotlib import pyplot as plt. It's one and the same thing. You can write like this, or you can write like this: import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. It's one and the same thing. From matplotlib import pyplot as plt, or you can write import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. It's one and the same thing. The another file I am going to import numpy as np. This one is the second content, and third file in this program, import map. These are the three contents I required in this program. What I am going to do, I am going to design sin x and cos x graph inside Python. How to design the graph of sin x and how to design the graph of cos x using scatter plot. Okay. One more thing I would like to introduce. I think one of the students from you asked the question that how to change the background color. I would like to introduce this part in this program also. Okay. First of all, what to do with the import map? I would like to display pi here. Now, what is the meaning of pi? Capital P, capital I is basically one variable. And what is the meaning of small pi? Small pi stands for the value 3.14. Suppose I am writing here print pi. You can display the value. I am executing this program. You can display the value of pi 3.14. Look at this one. Basically, I would like to display the graph of sin x from 0 to 2 pi or minus 2 pi to 2 pi like that. Suppose I have to design the graph like that. Okay. For that, first of all, the value of x, np dot arrange, then 0 to 2 pi with the jumping factor of 0. Let us say 35. These are the values. You can print the values here. Print, if I am writing print x, then execute the program. You can check all the values here. 0, 0.35 and up to 5.95. Maximum value is 6.28 because the value of pi is 3.14. It means 3.14 when multiplied by 2, it becomes 6.28. 6.28 is the maximum value and you can display all the values. And according to these values, I have to display the graph. Then what to do? For that, I am writing y is equal to np dot sin x. And after that, plt dot scatter x comma y. This one is the content. Then you can add the features. Suppose I am writing label is equal to sin x. This one is the labeling. And further, you can adjust marker. Marker is equal to, let us say, star. And then after that, you can set color. That color is equal to green. Then you can set size. Size is equal to, let 250. These are the contents. And execute the program. Look at this one. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
This one is the graph of sin x. Similarly, I can design graph of cos x. For that, suppose I am creating the new variable z. But I have to write np dot cos inside bracket x. Then I can copy this one, plt dot scatter, and paste here. Here I can write x comma z because this variable is there. After that, label, I am writing here cos x.
स्टार की जगह पे कुछ और.
Yes, I can change from star to, let us say, another content.
Oh.
Let circle is there. Okay. In place of green, let red is there. And size 250, let side is equal to 170. Whatever the content you would like to change. Let's execute the program again. Look at this one. You can draw two contents. Two graphs are there now. One graph is equal to sin x and second graph is equal to cos x. Now, what is the meaning of label here? Label is not applicable in this case. For application of label, we have to write plt dot legend. There is no need to write anything inside legend because I have already declared labels here. Now execute the program again. You can display the content here at the bottom. Look at this one. Star. What is the meaning of star? Sin x. What is the meaning of a red circle? It means cos x is there. Is it okay?
Sir, what is defined by size?
What is the meaning of?
Size, sir. S equal to 250, which is define it.
S is equal to 250.
Yes.
S is equal to 250 basically represent the size. Okay. Suppose I am writing 350 here. 350 is size. Suppose I am writing 350, I can increase the size of star. Look at this one.
Okay. Size of the star or
Yes, yes.
symbol.
This one
Okay.
is represent size. This one is basically at the back end defined by the compiler that if you are writing this value, it increases or decreases accordingly. Nothing else.
Okay.
These are the
सर इफ
values.
यू वांट टू फॉर्म कंटिन्यूअस एकदम कि ब्रेक नहीं हो बीच में ग्राफ, तब क्या करेंगे?
Then we have to implement plt.plot. I am going to discuss that part also. No issues. I will discuss that content also. These are only the indicated values. These are only the points. And if you would like to continue this graph, I am going to discuss that part in the next program today. No issue. I am going to discuss that part also. Up to this point, any doubt?
No, sir.
One point is pending. Which one is that? One point is pending. One is labeling. For that, I have to write plt dot, suppose I am writing title, and inside that, suppose I am writing trigonometric graphs. This one is the content. Execute again. You can give the title. Look at this one, trigonometric graphs. Is it okay? You can give title here. After that, if I am writing plt dot x label, then I can write angle or whatever the content you would like to introduce. This one is the content. You can write angle here at the base. Similarly, if I am writing plt dot y label, I can write here sin x and cos x. This one is the content. And execute the program again. You can display the values along the y-axis. Is it okay? Any doubt up to this point? Labeling. Up to labeling, is it okay?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the content clear up to this point? What is the meaning of
Yes.
title? What is the meaning of X label? What is the meaning of Y label? Title
Yes,
means
sir.
at the top of the graph, what we are writing. What is the meaning of X label on X axis? What is the title of that particular X label? Means X axis, what is represented by X axis. And after that, Y label is there. One more thing is pending. How to change the color of this background? Suppose I am writing here, or one more question from student side. Suppose you have to increase this box, then what to do? This box is by default there. Suppose I have to increase the size of the box, then what to do? For that, I have to write plt dot figure, then figure size. Because I am writing here 10, 7. 10, 7. Now, what is the meaning of 10? 10 stands for x-axis and 7 stands for y-axis, means length and height. Then execute the program. Look at this one. Is it okay? I can increase the size of that particular diagram. Is it okay? This length is equal to 10 and this length is equal to 7. You can increase or decrease the size accordingly. And one more thing is there. How to change the background? For that, AX is equal to plt dot axis. We have to set the axis. After that, we have to change the color. AX dot set AX dot set underscore face color. Suppose I am writing here yellow. Okay. Let's try to execute this program. Look at this one. Is it okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is AX is there? AX, ES, X is.
AX is one variable, nothing else. AX is one variable. Basically, this one is the application part. PLT dot axis. In place of AX, you can write anything. AX stands for axis, nothing else.
Okay.
If I am writing, suppose red here, dark color at the back end, and here suppose I am writing white color, and here yellow color is there. Let's execute the program. You can change the display. Is it okay? You can change the display accordingly. Any doubt in this program? Change in background is there. What are the learning points basically? If I am talking about this program from the first program, this one is first one. PLT.scatter. Learning aspect is we are comparing all the values. This one is the content. You can apply this code, this one. Let's copy this one and paste in first program. Suppose I am pasting here. Is it okay? You can change the aspect here also. You can change the background and you can display the content. This one is the content. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You can change the contents accordingly.
Yes, sir.
If I am deleting this one, you can change only the size. That code is applicable in all. This one is the content. Now the question from student side that how to draw the graph in continuity. This one is the, I think, question from one of the student. Suppose I have to design the graph with stars and line is also there. And line should be there. Then what to do? Okay. Let's create new file. Up to this point, is it clear to all of you? Up to this point?
Sir,
Yes?
in the box there, below there is a label 0, 6 up to 6.
Yes.
What from it comes? By compiler?
0 to 6. These are the values.
0, 1, in the bottom side
Just
of
a
the box.
minute. Just a minute. No, these are not the values from compiler. These are not the values from compiler. These are these values. Look at this one. These are the values of X.
Okay.
These are the values of X. These are not from compiler side. One thing is there, if you are looking about
Y
I'm
axis?
getting proper answer to this. Just a minute.
Okay.
I am giving you the proper answer.
Okay.
Suppose I am writing here import. Okay. Let us save first of all. I will give you the proper answer. What you are asking. Please wait. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm giving you the proper answer. One is the content from matplotlib. Import pyplot as a PLT. Suppose I am writing X is equal to 12, then 34, then 11, then 67, and 100, then 23. Is it okay? Suppose these are the values.
Okay.
Suppose I am writing here PLT dot plot and inside only one value is there, what will be the output? Only one value is there. What will be the output? Any idea? Suppose only single value is there.
Only x-axis.
Sir, all will be plotted.
Just a minute.
Ascending or
Execute the program. This one is the program. Can you explain the answer? Suppose I am writing here marker is equal to 4. And execute the program. Look at this one. Now line is there. By writing plot, you can design the line. Now by default, these values are there from compiler side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the values are there from compiler side. If I am writing only the value of x, it means this value will automatically shift towards y-axis, not on x-axis. Is it okay? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
y
By default,
ये
now
y
these are
का
the
value
values
हो
from
जाएगा.
compiler side. These are the values from compiler side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backend, all the values are defined. If I am writing only the value of x, okay. Let us change this content. Suppose I am writing 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Suppose these are the values of x. And after that, y is equal to, I am writing here 90, then 14, then 56, then 100, and then 45. Is it okay? These are the values. And I am writing here x comma y. Now again execute the program. Look at this one. Now the values on x-axis and y-axis both are defined inside the program. Is the content clear or not?
सर y अगर नहीं डिफाइन रहता तो वो स्ट्रेट लाइन बन जाता.
Yes. That depends upon the values. No issues. That depend upon the value. And if I have to increase the size, then simply I have to write plt.figure. I have to introduce this one. If I have to increase the size. Like this one. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
If I am writing here some other value, 506, that this one is the value, you can display accordingly. It automatically shifts toward that content, 506. Look at this one. It automatically increases the value from 0 to 500 because one value is 506. If I am writing 5060, then I can increase the value accordingly. Look at this one. It automatically increases the value to 0 to 5000. Is it okay?
So the
Yes, sir.
interval between the gap will be by the compiler side. The 10 and 20 between 15.
No. It's not from compiler side. Just a minute. This one is the graph. Suppose this one is the graph. The values are 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I can increase or decrease the value. Suppose I am writing here 10, then 20, and then 130, 140, and 500. Suppose these are the values. Now the gap is not same, but I can design the graph. Look at this one. I can design the graph accordingly. Look at the value. At 10, the value is equal to 90. And at 20, value is equal to 14. Look at this one. The value is 120 here. 130, sorry. 130, then 140 and 500. Look at this one, 500. At 500, the value is equal to 45. You can design the graph according to your choice.
So can you sir rub the x value on and execute only y value?
Suppose I am deleting this one. Okay, like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose I am writing y only, like this. Then execute the program. You can design accordingly. But one difference is there in this program. What is the difference? Now by default, same difference is there on x-axis because the contents are defined from compiler side now. First value is equal to 0, second is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. By default, gap of 1 is there. Otherwise, you can write the value from your side. Is it okay?
सर वहाँ पे
Yes, sir.
प्लॉट PLT प्लॉट x अगर रहता तब भी इसी तरह का ग्राफ रहता.
Same. It's only the variable. But this one is the value of y only. It's not the value of x. If I am writing x here, it is the value of again y. Look at this one. The graph is again same. Basically, this one, if one value is there, I am going to write here. Okay. So that you can cram later. If single value is there, single set of values. I think it's better word. Set of values. They are always on y-axis. And by default, values of x will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to so on. Is it okay? Done? Single set of values are there. They are always on y-axis. And by default, values of x will be values of x-axis. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any doubt in this program now? Any doubt in this program? Suppose I have to design some content separately. Let's discuss one more content. Okay, let's save this. This one is the program. Day 3_3. This one is the content. Let's open one new window. First of all, this content is required, figure size is required, two contents are required. That the size is equal to 8, 5. So this one is the size. You can change the size accordingly, no issues. If you know about the content, then you can easily execute. Day 3_, it's the fifth program. .5. Okay. Suppose one set of values are there. Import numpy as np. So some set of values are there. X is equal to np dot range. So the values are from 1 to 11 or -10 to 11. What is the meaning of -10 to 11? The values are from -10 to 10, not -10 to 11. If I am writing -10 to 11, it means values of x ranges from -10 to 10. Suppose I am writing y is equal to x square. And what will happen? Suppose I am writing y is equal to x square. PLT dot plot x comma y. What will be the output?
Hyperbola, parabola.
This one is parabola. And if I am writing here at the end red, then circle with the gap of dashes. Look at this one. What is the meaning of this? It means by writing a single code, R stands for red and O stands for circles. And what is the meaning of dashes? Means they are connected with dashes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am writing one more equation. Z is equal to, suppose I am writing x or minus x square. Suppose this one is the content.
Downward वाला हो
Yes.
सर.
PLT dot plot x comma z comma, I can write here green. Suppose capital S is there, separated by dashes. Then execute the program.
Error आ रहा sir.
Okay, just a minute. X comma z PLT
G
dot,
स्मॉल s होगा ना वहाँ पर.
yes sir.
maybe, yes. Yes, small s is there. Now upward parabola and downward parabola, both the contents are there. Suppose I have to place legend here, PLT dot legend, and execute the program. Nothing is there inside. Then how can we apply legend, or how can I represent the red colored graph is for y is equal to x square, and green colored graph represent minus x square. How can I represent that? Then what to do? I have to write here label is
Level
equal
1,
to,
level 2.
yes, upward parabola. So I am writing here upward parabola. Then label is equal to downward parabola. Then execute the program. You can place the content here. Look at this one. Upward parabola and downward parabola. You can change the position depending upon some code I have already written. This one is the code. B box. This one. B box to anchor, and you can change the position. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
You can change the position accordingly. This one is the best location already defined by the compiler.
सर एक्सिस ऐड करना हो तब क्या करूँगा?
What is the question? Please repeat the question.
Sir, if we want to add the axis in between, then what to do?
Axis. Okay. For that, one point is there. I think that content is grid. That content is grid. With the help of grid, we can design the base also. That is similar to your graphical content. In the upcoming lectures, I will discuss about that part also. No issues.
Okay, sir.
We can insert grid also. Let's save this content. Up to this point, any doubt from today's lecture? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No sir.
I'm going to repeat again the contents. First one, this content, that is scatter plot. This one is the content. Kindly repeat all the contents at your own level. Okay? So that we can discuss in upcoming classes. I would like to add all the contents in the last lecture. And some queries may also be there from the previous lectures. Okay?
Okay sir.
This one is the second content. pie chart inside a pie chart, and this one is the third content. Designing of sine wave and cosine wave using scatter plot. And after that, simple plot is there with the help of single variable. Plotting is there. And then multiple graphs are there. You can design 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of graphs inside this. And now the question is, suppose I have to design these graphs in separate windows. Then what to do? Multiple graph in separate windows. I will discuss that content in tomorrow's lecture. And that how can we implement grid point, and then designing of these graphs in multiple windows. I will discuss that content in tomorrow's lecture. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In chat box, any question is there? Sir, why 20.0 is written? Okay. What was the question? Why 20.0? What is the meaning of 20.0? I don't know. Kindly repeat the question, Ghazala. What do you want to ask? 20.0.
Sir, that's the pie chart. 20%, 5 colors.
Okay. Actually, that is because of your floating point, nothing else. Because of floating point, if the value is in integer, it's only 20. If the value is in decimal, then it's 20.0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question? Any other query if you would like to ask?
सर
any
लास्ट वाले स्लाइड में जो हम लोगों ने ओ के बाद डैश डैश 2 बार लिया था तो वो ऐड हो गया था, तो क्या उसके पहले वाले ग्राफ में जहाँ पे साइन कॉस दिया हुआ था वहां पे ओ
Yes,
के
yes,
बगल
yes,
में
we can
डबल ले
apply.
सकते हैं?
साजिद बोल रहे हो?
क्या सर? यस
Yes, we can apply. No issues.
ओके सर.
Okay, beta, okay. Thanks for attending the lecture. Tomorrow we will meet again.